What is your one recipe?
Oh my God. All right, I gotta tell you. I really struggled with this. It's like it's hard. I don't know how people do it. And I went back and forth, and then I realized I should really choose the recipe that probably is a recipe that I would want to pass down. If I ever have kids, or I have a nephew now, I want to make sure that he knows this recipe when he grows up and is able to I'm expecting him to be able to cook in the kitchen. And
Fingers
that
crossed.
dish, fingers crossed, and that is Persian rice, or cello, polo as we say. And I just thought there's no other recipe that I could choose. There's so many recipes that I love in this book, but that one has the most significance. It is the recipe that I think has the shortest list of ingredients. I think maybe five, maybe four actually, maybe four including without including salt. But it is the longest recipe in the book, and I felt very strongly about that because I wanted to provide a lot of kind of background and the cultural context and the reasoning of why why I do each step, and really why the Iranian community does each step for preparing that rice.